Here's a subtraction strategy called the constant difference. Why regroup when you can use the constant difference? Let's find out how. Hi, Miss Woods here, and today we're going to be learning the constant difference, which is a subtraction strategy. The constant difference strategy. You can add or subtract the same number from both numbers in subtraction and keep the same difference. We do this to make friendlier numbers and subtraction without regrouping. So I have 30 and I'm going to subtract 9. So I'm here at 30 and I'm going to subtract 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is where I land at 21. Now let's see how that looks in algorithm. Well, I have 0 minus 9. What that really says is to take 9 from 0. I can't do that. Hold out your hand. Do you have 9 of anything in it? No. So 0, I can't subtract 9. I can't take 9 out of 0. So what do? In algorithm, I have to regroup. I have to change the 3 tens to 2 tens by taking 1 10 away. And then I'm going to add a 10, that 10 to the ones place. So instead of having 1 rod, I'm now going to have 10 units. And I'm just going to move them over to the ones place. Now I can take 9 out of 10. Well, 9 from 10 is 1. And 2 tens minus no tens is still 2 tens. So my answer is 21. But what if I didn't have to do all of that? What if I could make a friendlier number that would allow me to subtract easier? So that's where the constant difference comes in. Instead of 30, if I subtract 1, I get 29. Instead of 9, if I subtract 1, I get 8. So if I start at 29 now, and I subtract 8, let's see what number I would get. Start at 29, and we're going to subtract 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my goodness. So I get 21. Well, let's see that using algorithm. Nine, subtract 8. So what does that really say? I'm taking 8 out of 9. That would be 1. And 2 tens minus no tens is still 2 tens. Did I have to do any regrouping with this? No, I did not. Excellent. So let's look at another problem and apply the constant difference. Here I have 130 minus 12. Again, in the ones place, I have a 0. I have no ones, but I need to take 2 away. So in algorithm, it would tell us we'd have to regroup. I'd have to regroup from the tens place. So I have to make that, instead of 3 tens, 2 tens, and I'd have to bring that 10 over and make 10 ones. Now I can solve. 10 minus 2 is 8. 2 tens minus 1 10 is 1 10. And 100 minus no hundreds is still 100. So I should get 118. So let's see what that looks like and check our answer. So I was at 130, and now I have to subtract 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 118. But what if I could do that easier? So I could take 1 away from 130, and that would give me 129. I could take 1 away from 12, and that would give me 11. 9 minus 1 is 8. 2 tens minus 1 10 is 110. 100 minus nothing is still 100. Did I get the same answer? Yes, I did. Excellent.
It's your turn to try the constant difference. 500 minus 15. What's the answer? See you in part 2.